How do you fix tap loot is crashing on Steam? First, you want to right click the game in your library, open up the properties, and then in the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options. Go to installed files and make sure to verify the integrity of game files. Once this process is completed, you want to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. So whether you're using NVIDIA app or the AMD software, make sure to check for driver updates and download them and install the latest ones. Next, you want to also make sure that you have redistributables installed by searching for redist. Click on the first link here and make sure to install the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. And you will need to reboot your computer once you're done with these installations. Next, you want to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.